Let me just give you one sentence. And I want you guys to think about all the different ways that this conversation could go other than, let me tell you how much I cost, right? And let me tell you what my product does and how much it costs. You don't want to go there. Don't go there. The website goes there. They don't need you for that. But just listen, here's a typical thing that you guys might hear. And if you're B2C or you're working with individuals, just change the we to an I. But we all hear some derivation of this statement all the time. You ready? Hey, yeah, what can I get you information on? Oh, yeah, I'm so glad. Thanks for calling me back. Hey, we've been looking for a few options to better meet our needs. Right? We've been looking for, well, you're a marketing company. We've been looking for a few marketing options to better meet our needs. You're a financial advisor. Yeah, I'm not happy with the what's going on. Been looking for a few options in terms of my portfolio to better meet our needs. You're looking for an app company. Been looking for a few options in terms of apps to better meet our needs. Unfortunately, what most people do when they hear a statement is like that is, great, you came to the right place. How much financial returns do you need? How many apps do you need? How much marketing do you need? I'm here to help you. We are different and we solve problems. Okay? Even though you're different and you solve problems, you don't want to go that way. But when you hear somebody tell you a statement like, hey, we've been looking for a few options to better meet our needs, what are some examples of how you can redirect that conversation? I'm hoping that as you guys hear that, being on eastonuniversity.com, I'm hoping like 3 or 4 just boom, pop right to your head.